Super easy to make honey garlic sauce with only few ingredients. What are you waiting for? Let's start cooking. Hello guys! Today we are going to make my super easy honey garlic sauce. In this recipe, we will need 1 cup of honey. We will also need 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in 2 tablespoons of water. We will also need 1 bulb of minced garlic and about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Tara, magluto na tayo. Now let's start making our honey garlic sauce. This recipe is super simple to make. Let's begin by turning on the stove on a medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil if you don't have any olive oil. Heat the oil first before adding anything. Once the oil is hot, you can add the ginger. Saute it for about a minute before we can add the garlic. Now we can add the garlic and mix it well. Just keep mixing so we don't burn the garlic. Otherwise, our sauce will become bitter. Once the ginger and garlic are softened, we can now add our soy sauce. Just pour it in and give it a good stir. Now we just have to bring it to boil before adding the honey. When it's boiling like this is the time to add the honey. Slowly pour it in. Let's mix it again so the honey will dissolve into the sauce evenly. Let's add the last ingredient in, which is the thickener, our cornstarch diluted in water. Just make sure that the cornstarch is completely dissolved in water before adding in to avoid lumps in your sauce. Mix it again. Lower the heat down. Mix it for another minute or so, then we will check the taste. Now let's taste it first before adding any salt and pepper. For me, the taste is just right. You can taste the garlic and a little bit of ginger and the little sweetness from that honey. Just always remember when making a sauce like this that to always adjust it to your flavor because everybody have different taste bud. Now let's check the consistency of our sauce. As you can see right now, it looks very thin, right? But don't panic because this sauce will become much thicker than this after it cools down, and I will show you at the end of this video what it looks like when it cools down so you have an idea on how much cornstarch you want to add in your sauce. Now our sauce is done and ready to be used. My favorite dish to add this honey garlic sauce is to a deep fried chicken wings. Now let's take a look at the consistency of our sauce. As you remember earlier, we only added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and it looks so thin on the heat, but look at it now, it's much thicker after it cools down. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay awesome. Bye!